On May 18th, during the Democratic primary debate for New York's District 14, Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez had this to say about her congressional office.
But I am happy to say that our office has set a record in that we have received 2 congressional awards. The first in history where a freshman office, and we share that honor with Congresswoman Donna Shalala, the first in history where we have received 2 of these congressional awards for congressional operations in innovation and culture.
Confusing, I know. I legitimately had no idea what she was talking about. After doing a little research though, it turns out that AOC is referring to the Democracy Awards that are handed out by the Congressional Management Foundation. The CMF is a nonpartisan nonprofit in Washington, D.C., which means that these are not congressional awards.
I'm proud to be able to serve our community and to have an award-winning constituent services office.
AOC is missing one small but very important detail. Her office hasn't actually won a Democracy Award, let alone 2 of them. According to this April press release, AOC has been named as a Democracy Award finalist in 2 categories, but the CMF haven't announced who won yet, stating that winners will be announced in a few months. I reached out to the CMF and they confirmed that they haven't chosen the winners yet. They told me that they aren't doing so until later this summer, possibly August.
The first in history where a freshman office, and we share that honor with Congresswoman Donna Shalala.
She has no idea what she's talking about. Even if AOC did win, that's not how the Democracy Awards work. In each category, there are 2 winners, 1 Democrat and 1 Republican. That means that AOC cannot be sharing an award with fellow Democrat Donna Shalala because only 1 Democrat is chosen per category. The only thing that Ocasio-Cortez is sharing with Shalala is that they are both freshman members of Congress and that they have both been nominated for 2 awards. In other words, they were both recognized as finalists in 2 categories, but AOC skimmed over the press release and thinks that she won and is sharing 2 awards with Congresswoman Shalala.
I'm proud to be able to serve our community and to have an award-winning constituent services office.
Pro tip, AOC, if you're gonna brag about winning an award, make sure that you actually won first. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, everybody, and I'll see you next time.